Now that we are back to the screen, the first thing I'm going to do is to log in with my Pabbly subscription billing account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, so I'll just go to the products here. And here you can find the option to add your product. So just click on it. Now let's say my product name is recycled carry bags. After entering the product name, just submit it. And here you can see your product has been added. Now we're going to add a plan that is associated with our products. So we'll just click on add plan. Now here you can see the first option is the plan name. So let's say my plan name is donation for a cause. Now as you can see, while entering the plan name, the plan code is generated automatically. And you will ask now what's the purpose of this plan code. So this basically helps you to identify this particular plan. For this particular product, we have added 4 plans. Now to identify this particular plan, this plan code is generated. We're going to see it attached with the URL at the checkout page. So that's the purpose of the plan code here. Now talking about the billing cycle, we have two types of billing cycle, that is one time and recurring. If you wish to receive a one-time payment from your customers, so you can select a one-time billing cycle. Or if you wish to collect payment every monthly, weekly or yearly for a number of billing cycles, so you can just enter the billing cycles here. So let's say I'm going to charge my customers every 1 month for 12 billing cycles. Or if you want to charge your customers automatically every monthly, weekly or yearly for forever billing cycles. So for that you can just keep the space empty here until the customer himself or we as a merchant cancels the subscription. So for that you can just simply select this recurring billing cycle. But for now I'll be selecting one time billing cycle here. Now I'm gonna select the pricing model here as the donation or pay your own price. Now I'm gonna enter the minimum price here. Let's say I want to keep the minimum price of my product as $20. We also have the option to add a setup fee. So for that you can just enter the amount here. Let's say $10. And this is a fixed amount that is a charge only once at the starting of the billing cycle. And here you can see it can be fixed or it can be quantity wise. Now if you select setup fee as quantity wise, then it will be changed according to the plan quantity. That simply means if the plan quantity increases, the setup fee will also increase. Now talking about trial period, we can offer our customer with a trial period. So for that you can just enter the price here. So let's say for $10, I'm gonna give my customer a trial period of 10 days. And here you can select days or month. But for now, I am not giving any kind of trial period to my customers. Now the next thing we have here is the plan description. Add a plan description so that your customer will have a clear view what you are selling to them. So let's say my plan description has reusable carry bags made from scrap. Let us join hands for a change and contribute for a healthier environment. After adding the plan description, we also have the option to customize this text. So for that you can just make the text bold. You can just make the text italics. You can just underline the text, or you can align the text, and we can set the text size as normal, small, large or even huge. So I'll just keep it normal here. And we also have the option to add a link along with this. So for that you can just click here and save it. Now that we have added the description and customized it, we're going to add the image of our product. So for that you can just click here and upload it. As you can see, I have uploaded my product image. Now I'm gonna add some points that will highlight my product. Now the next option you can see here is the payment gateway, and here you can see 2 options, that is all gateways and selected gateways. Selecting all gateways means that all the payment gateways that are integrated in your subscription billing account will be shown as an option at the checkout page while your customer will be doing the payment. or if you're gonna select the selected gateway, you can enter the selected gateway manually here. Let's say I'm gonna offer Stripe as my payment gateway for this particular plan, so you can enter here. But for now I'll be giving all gateways to my customers. Now that we have added all the details of our plan, we're going to discuss some points in short. So in that list, the first one we have here is the payment field settings. Now let's take a case in which a customer is trying to make a payment and that payments get failed. Now to make the payment again, we can offer our customer with all gateways and with selected gateways. So for that you can just select it accordingly here. The next option here we have is the plan status. This totally depends on you whether you want to keep the plan active or inactive as per your need. Now here you can see the redirect URL after successful payment. Enter the custom URL of the store that you wish to promote so that after the successful payment, your customer will be redirected to that page. Now we have the payment term here. Selecting payment term, let's say net 15. That basically means your customer has 15 more days to make the payment from the subscription billing date. And same goes with net 30, net 45 and net 60. You have two more options, that is the due end of the month or due end of the next month. Now the last option we have here is the plan metadata, and this field is for our reference only and this will not be shown to our customers. We can just simply add some additional data in the plan. And at last I'm going to save my plan here. Now from here you can just copy the checkout plan link or you can just go to the checkout page. Now this is how the checkout page will be shown to your customers while he'll do the payment. And here you can see your product name, your plan name along with the price and the plan details along with some points and the offered payment gateways. Now let's say if a customer wants to purchase these recycled jute bags and he enters an amount less than the minimum amount that we have set. Let's say he wants to donate $10 and we'll try to make a payment for it. Here you can see the message pop out that is minimum payable amount is $20. So the customers need to enter the minimum amount that is $20. Now let's take a case in which a customer wants to donate $50. So we'll try to make payment along with it, and here you can see the payment is successful. So that's how the donation pricing model or pay your own price works under Pabbly subscription billing. Try to add your product and create a plan for it. And if you have any doubts while creating the plan, you can just go to the need help section or you can just mail us at admin@pabbly.com. We are always there for support. Thank you.